To change the language on your DJI FPV drone, press the Joystick Control Button down once. That's going to bring you into the main menu, and you want to count down 4 from the top, and that'll be your settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to count down to the 5th option from the top, which will be About. Once you're in About, you want to count down 12 from the top, and this will bring you to your language option. I'll put these steps in the video description so you can look at them in print form. It might make it easier than trying to follow the on-screen here. Now that you're in language, the language you would like should be available and easily read. Just select that and you should be off and running in the language that you have chosen. Thanks again for watching. Do appreciate you all subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.